Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we customize guys phone screen timeout setting, and how can we use it. Friends, we want to use guys your phone screen timeout settings, so how can you use and how can we customize. Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So friends, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will click on guys phone display and brightness setting. Then guys scroll it, and screen timeout guys you can use, you can customize from here guys. If you take the 15 seconds of, and after 15 seconds guys, automatic your screen will off guys. Wait and watch and you can see guys. And guys you can use guys your dark theme setting guys, font size, auto edit setting guys, you can use from here. From the friends, you can see screen going to automatic. So like that guys, you can customize, and friends you want to customize into guys like 5 minutes, 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes guys, screen will off automatic. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to off guys, also how to customize screen timeout setting in Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.